This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terry Thornton. A well-appointed open floor plan in the gated golf community of Harbor Club on beautiful Lake Oconee. With a great room overlooking the wooded backyard, the living space is complemented with gas log fireplace made of stone and built-in entertainment center. The kitchen opens to Greatroom at the island with gas stove, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and window seat. There is a separate formal dining room. A primary bedroom is on the main floor and is embellished with his / her walk-in closets, large bath with garden tub and separate shower. The second floor boasts 2 bedrooms with Jack and Jill baths, a bonus room that could serve as a playroom, office, or den. There are several unique features with hardwood floors throughout, arched doorways, mudroom plus a separate laundry room with sink, doggie door and sleeping area for pets. Inviting outdoor space has screened porch, deck with hot tub, fire pits and lovely mini gardens. For more